to be passes my ear. And they're glueless. What I'll do is I'll tack the ear portion, because what will happen, sometimes it will still be a little bit, you know, it will flip a little bit, and we want it to be laying. I'll cut away all the excess lace here, and you want to take your time and ensure that you are seeing exactly what you're doing, because you don't want to be cutting off any of the hair that you really don't want to get rid of. Only if it is that you want to get rid of some of that hair on the front. That looks good. It doesn't need any of that because it's super flat. So let's just go ahead and take off the rest of the extra lace. That is so undetectable. So let's go ahead and just get to applying the adhesive on the area. You can't tell me nothing. It's laying so flat as well. Okay. Isn't that lovely? Perfect for all my corporate babes. Like,